Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will use Nmap Scripting Engine, or NSE, for vulnerability assessment. To begin, open your Kali Linux system and launch the terminal. To view the available NSE scripts, type the following command in the terminal: cd/usr/share/nmap/scripts/. Then press enter. Next, type ls and press enter again. You'll now see a list of available Nmap scripts. These are categorized by function and protocol. Some examples include afp-ls.nse. This is for Apple Filing Protocol shares. ip-geolocation-maxmind.nse. This is for IP-based geolocation using Maxmind databases. These scripts allow Nmap to extend its functionality for a wide variety of scanning tasks. Once you've viewed the available scripts, type clear to clear the screen and press enter. If you need to return to your home directory, simply type cd and press enter again. Now, let's perform a basic Nmap scan using the NSE default scripts. Type the following command: nmap-s C testphp.vulnweb.com. In this command, testphp.vulnweb.com is the target for the scan. Then press enter. Nmap will initiate a scan. Depending on your internet speed, results may appear in a few seconds or minutes. Once complete, you'll see information like: the HTTP title of the website is Home of Akunatics Art. A notice that 999 TCP ports are filtered, meaning they're blocked or non-responsive. Port 80 for TCP is open, which is standard for HTTP web traffic. Now, let's run a specific NSE script. In the terminal, type nmap-script http-title scanme.nmap.org. Then press enter. This command targets scanme.nmap.org, a public test server provided by Nmap. Let's break this down. Nmap is the base command. --script http title specifies the script to run. scanme.nmap.org is the target. After executing the scan, Nmap returns the following results. Port 22 for TCP is open, which is used for SSH. Port 80 for TCP is open, used for HTTP. The HTTP title reads, "Go ahead and scan me." Port 9929 for TCP is open, used by nping echo. Port 31337 for TCP is also open, labeled as elite. This demonstrates how the Nmap Scripting Engine can provide deeper insight during a vulnerability scan. That concludes our demonstration on using NSE with Nmap for vulnerability scanning and assessment.